If you are looking for the perfect electric bike to elevate your biking experience, then tune in as we cover the top brand new 5 electric bikes of 2024, offering you optimum performance down the road. Please note that we compiled our picks to suit different preferences and tastes, so make sure to stay tuned till the end to discover the perfect electric bike for you. Also, hit that like button and do subscribe for future updates. The Heybike HERO stands out as a formidable force in the realm of electric bikes, destined to redefine boundaries and lead the pack with its revolutionary features. Available in 2 styles, Step-through and Trapeze, HERO embodies absolute power for infinite adventurous thrills. At its core lies a cutting-edge 750-watt mid-drive torque sensing motor, boasting unparalleled stability and up to 160 Nm torque, promising effortless conquering of diverse terrains, from steep slopes to rugged trails. The Heybike HERO is also available with a potent 1,000-watt rear hub motor, delivering up to 100 Nm torque for those who seek the ease of use and reliability of a rear hub motor, eliminating concerns about chain maintenance and offering seamless power delivery for a hassle-free riding experience. HERO's advanced motor technology ensures precise control and automatic gear shifts tailored to the rider's pedaling style, guaranteeing a smooth and balanced journey. Crafted from T800 carbon fiber, HERO's mainframe combines strength with a featherweight design, offering exceptional durability while minimizing wind resistance and vibrations for a smoother, more comfortable ride. Paired with Shimano's 9-speed gear shift system, HERO delivers seamless transitions and confident maneuverability on any terrain. With an impressive range of up to 60 miles on a single charge, powered by an 864 watt-hour battery rigorously certified for safety, HERO eliminates battery anxiety and empowers riders to embrace endless possibilities. Charge effortlessly with the included 48-volt, 4-amp charger, fully powering up in just 4 hours, and stay informed with real-time updates and navigation assistance through the Heybike app, ensuring you're always ready for the road ahead. The Heybike HERO truly embodies the pinnacle of carbon fiber all-terrain electric biking, offering riders an unparalleled experience of performance, durability, and adventure. The Lectric ONE e-bike, designed specifically for urban commuters, sets the standard for effortless and maintenance-free transportation. With 2 battery options available, riders can choose between the standard battery, offering a commendable 45-mile range powered by 500 watt-hours and 10.4 ampere-hour, or the long-range battery, extending the range up to 60 miles with a robust 672 watt-hours and 14 ampere-hour. At the heart of the Lectric ONE lies the innovative Pinion gearbox, seamlessly integrated with the Pinion Smart Shift app for pre-selected gear shifts, ensuring a smooth and effortless ride. Paired with the Gates carbon drive belt system, this e-bike offers a chainless drivetrain that's not only clean and quiet, but also incredibly durable and low maintenance. The Lectric ONE is propelled by the powerful Bafang pseudo-motor, delivering an impressive 1310-watt peak power with the new Stealth M24 technology, promising a 400% quieter motor for a serene commuting experience. With additional features such as hydraulic brakes, brake-activated taillights, and reflective strips for enhanced safety, the Lectric ONE redefines urban commuting with unparalleled innovation and performance. The Himiway C5 electric motorbike epitomizes adventurous spirit with its formidable performance and impressive endurance. Accelerating to speeds of over 20 miles per hour, unlockable to reach nearly 28 miles per hour, riders experience a thrilling journey through urban landscapes or countryside escapes. Driven by a robust 750-watt geared hub motor, the C5 boasts an exceptional 86 Nm of torque, effortlessly conquering steep inclines up to 15 degrees and gliding through challenging winds. Engineered with hydraulic brakes and a torque sensor, riders command precise control and responsive braking, ensuring safety and smoothness on every ride. With its LG 48-volt, 20 ampere-hour battery, the C5 delivers an impressive 80-mile range per charge, empowering riders to embark on extended excursions with peace of mind. Featuring a 7-speed Shimano derailleur, a robust payload capacity of 330 pounds, and a resilient 6061 aluminum alloy frame. The Himiway C5 sets the standard for durability, versatility, and performance in the electric motorbike realm. Furthermore, equipped with a 48-volt, 22-ampere controller and a US standard 3.0-amp smart charger, the C5 ensures efficient power management and convenient charging, enhancing the overall riding experience for enthusiasts everywhere. Combined with its sleek, breathing light design, the C5 not only offers practicality but also elevates the aesthetics of night rides, merging style with safety seamlessly. Whether navigating bustling city streets or venturing into the great outdoors, the Himiway C5 promises riders an unparalleled blend of comfort, reliability, and excitement. The Aventon Ramblas eMTB redefines the boundaries of trail exploration with its rugged build and versatile performance capabilities. Engineered to conquer both mountain trails and city streets, this hardtail electric mountain bike features Aventon's first-ever mid-drive motor, delivering an intelligent and personalized riding experience. With 3 pedal assist levels, a top speed of 20 miles per hour, and an impressive range of up to 80 miles, riders can seamlessly transition from rugged off-road adventures to urban commutes with ease. The Ramblas is equipped with Aventon's A100 motor, generating an impressive 100 Nm of torque for smooth acceleration and consistent power delivery. Additionally, its mid-drive motor design allows for personalized tuning through the Aventon app, ensuring an amplified and natural riding experience tailored to individual preferences. Powered by a 708 watt-hour battery composed of 36-volt LG cells and paired with a 42-volt 4-amp charger, the Ramblas offers reliable performance and efficient charging capabilities for uninterrupted exploration. Whether navigating steep mountain trails or cruising through city streets, the Aventon Ramblas eMTB offers riders unparalleled comfort, control, and adventure-ready performance. The Radster Trail electric off-road bike sets the standard for adventure with its powerful performance and rugged design. With a robust 750-watt motor delivering an impressive 100 Nm of torque, this bike effortlessly conquers hills and rough terrain with ease, while reaching speeds of up to 28 miles per hour for fast-paced excitement. Equipped with a 15 Ah 720 Wh Safe Shield advanced semi-integrated battery, the Radster Trail offers an impressive range of up to 65 miles per charge, ensuring riders can explore without limits. The bike's versatility shines through its adaptable Class 1, 2, and 3 speed settings, allowing riders to tailor their experience to their preferences. Enhanced safety features such as rear-facing turn signals and a bright 200-lumen headlight provide added peace of mind, while the industry-leading IPX6 weather protection ensures the bike can handle any conditions. With its comfortable ride, customizable fit with 2 frame sizes, and advanced features like hydraulic disc brakes and a torque sensor that responds to the way you pedal, added power for effortless hill climbing, and a 48-volt, 2-amp smart charger, the Radster Trail is the ultimate companion for off-road adventures and urban exploration alike. Which electric bike caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details and updated prices. Also, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates on the latest electric bikes.